This video will outline the location of information and components on an eFTR Hooligan. At the front of the bike, you will find the windscreen, the headlight, which can be adjusted by pivoting it in the assembly. On the sides of the headlight are the adjustment screws, which can be used to tighten or loosen the headlight. The front suspension forks, fork guards, the travel indicator O-ring, and the front brake assembly. On the left side of the bike, you will find the battery charge port, battery on-off button, the left pedal, and side stand. On the right side of the bike, you will find the battery lock, the right pedal, and chain assembly. In the rear of the bike, you will find the accessory plugs, brake light, brake assembly, and drive motor. On the left handlebar, you'll find the front brake lever, brake reservoir, and the display with navigation and information button. In the middle of the handlebar, you'll find the accessory plugs and the handlebar pad. On the right handlebar, you'll find the rear brake lever, brake reservoir, and the throttle lever. The bike serial ID can be found engraved on the underside of the bottom bracket in between the pedal cranks. The QR code near the serial ID can also be scanned to provide the ID number. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.